Hey, welcome to another PS5 video. Today I got a beginner's tip, how to turn off your PS5 from the controller. It's not extremely obvious, that's why I felt that I should make a video about it. Okay, so to turn off the PlayStation 5, press the PS button on the controller. The PS button is the PlayStation logo right in the middle of the controller. This control panel will appear on the bottom of your screen, and all you have to do is scroll over to the power button icon, hit the X button on your controller. Now 3 options will appear. You could enter rest mode, which is a low power saving energy mode, which will allow you to charge your controller, do updates, stuff like that. Select this to completely turn off the PS5. And the last option is we can restart the PS5 by selecting this. Alright, so that is the video. That is how you turn off the PS5 using the controller. And to turn back on the PS5, simply press the PlayStation button, PS button on the controller, and the system will turn on. Alright, that's the video. Bye bye.